Hi everyone, welcome to Workplace TV. I hate today's topic, but it has to be talked about. What topic am I referring to? Well, let me answer that with a question. Should employers be allowed to prohibit employees from having guns in their cars out in the parking lot? What do you think? Personally, this scares me a bit. Maybe this is because of statistics like this. According to a study in the American Journal of Public Health, published back in 2005, workplaces that allow guns were about 5 times more likely to have a worker get killed on the job compared to workplaces that prohibited all kinds of weapons. This is a serious issue. We all know the devastation involved in an incident of violence. The last thing on our minds should be the fear of workplace violence when we drive into work in the morning or even late at night. Yet sadly, last year, 375 workers were killed in shootings on the job. This according to the Department of Labor. The DOL did share, however, that this number has been lower in recent years than pre-recession levels. This issue is highly controversial, as you can imagine. Employers like Caterpillar and FedEx have fought laws that allow licensed employees to bring their guns to work and keep them in the parking lot, known as Bring Your Gun to Work laws. Starbucks is in the game. Their CEO has asked customers to keep guns out of their cafes. Today, over 20 states have passed laws that limit a property owner's ability to ban firearms in cars in parking lots. Notice, by the way, that I say the laws limit a property owner's right to ban firearms in cars in the parking lots. These laws, as you can see, don't just apply to employers in the state. They're broader than that. Employers take this issue as seriously as it is. Law firm Ogletree Deakins recommends that employers revise their violence prevention policies to explicitly define unacceptable behavior. They're also suggesting that employers require employees with handgun permits to report them to Human Resources. I think this is a great idea, but ooh-wee, I think this one is going to fire some people up, like gun advocates, and those of us concerned about the right to privacy. But when safety is involved, my advice, yes, review and revise where appropriate your workplace violence policy and weapons possession policy. More importantly, though, make sure you build and encourage a culture of respect within your organization. If a termination does need to take place, make sure that the employee isn't surprised by the decision and that it's done with dignity. And for sure, train everyone to spot the warning signs that a fellow worker could be having a problem. Let me know what you think. Should an employee with a concealed carry permit be allowed to bring their gun to work, into the office environment, or just the parking lot, or not at all? Thanks for joining us. I'm Lisa Yankowitz, and that's what you need to know today.